Hello there, this is Sham. It's Shaminur here from Text Edit channel, and today is the big deal. It's the AppSumo Bundle Volume 1. This is a deal of the all time. I think it was a big deal, and ever this the bundle from AppSumo. After 15 years, this season bundle unlock three powerful tools, turn your ideas and meeting into scroll-stopping videos. Thousands of five-star review, 1 year of access to all three 95% offer. Don't miss out. And you say this is a 1 year of access. All the three software you can access for 1 year, only just 39. The value is 756 value, and this is 32% already claimed, so you can hurry and get the software in immediate. And this is the Fathom 180 value. This is the instant meeting summaries, and this the 1 year access or three species. Premium plan included unlimited record notes, action item, customizable AI summaries, read in 30 seconds, ask them like ChatGPT for your meeting, ask Synix to HubSpot, Salesforce, and more. Works with Zoom, Meet, Teams, and Slack. And Speechify is for especially for unlimited audio in this tier. Unlimited audio generation, 50-hour voiceover per year, access to thousand of licensed soundtrack, access to thousand of stock media, commercial uses, right? And the value is 288, and 288 also specify. There's the HeyGen AI video turns any ideas, script, or image into polished AI videos, lifetime avatars, no camera needed. Unlimited videos up to 30 minutes, 10 minutes avatar IV per month, 180p video resolution. That's a big 700 plus stock videos avatar, and these are also uh, an special for you. And this is a special bundle for us, and this is the Fathom. This is the dashboard setting for your meeting. Also you can enable it with Zoom, Google Meet, and all your team calls and playlist and alert. And in the HeyGen, you can there's the HeyGen dashboard. You explore our next gen avatar IB. You can IB avatar created from here, and photo to video avatar, product placement, quick avatar video, interactive video, translate video, create your avatar, instant highlight, PDF to video, and much more. I think this perfect for a video generator, and this is worth for your only $39. This is a Speechify Studio, Playground, Voice Library, Voice Cloning, Voice Charger, Cleanups, and Speech. Create speech, create AI voiceover, change your voice, clean up your speech, clone your voice, swap language. Now this is the all bundle, and I can review this one by one, but now in this now hurry to buy this from only 39 these bundles. Fathom, Specify, and HeyGen. Thank you, and go collect this immediately.